Hello, everybody. Thank you for visiting the UDC Causes Virtual Culinary Arts Summer Camp Eventbrite page and for viewing this informational video. I am pleased that you are here and that you are interested. My name is Brittany Loca. I am a project manager in the Office of the Dean at Causes, which is UDC's College of Agriculture, Urban Sustainability, and Environmental Sciences. And we are hosting this virtual culinary arts camp for DC kids aged 12 to 16 from July 19th through July 23rd each day from 11 a.m. until 2 p.m. So our lead chef instructor for this camp is our very own Chef Herbert Holden, who is right up here on our Eventbrite page. And I am helping to coordinate this camp and will be serving as one of your main points of contact if you have any questions. So again, my name is Brittany Loca, and I want to make sure that everyone knows that Chef Herb and I both have our emails right down here and our phone numbers at the very bottom of the Eventbrite page. And so if at any time you have any questions, this is the contact information you can use to reach out, and I am more than happy to speak with you. Phone, text, call, email, whatever works. So this is where you'll register for the camp, and I want to just go ahead and go through some of the main points here. So first of all, the camp is 100% virtual, and we also have a max capacity of 15 campers. So with that being said, the registration deadline is June 28th, and it is first come, first serve. So we want to make sure that everyone knows if you're interested in this camp, make sure that you secure your seat soon. We have a max capacity. We want to make sure that the interaction between our chef instructor and our campers and our assistant is a great ratio to provide each camper with individual attention. So as part of this camp, since it is virtual, we need to make sure that all campers, as part of registration, a parent or guardian must sign the participation waiver that's included. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the waiver right here. You want to make sure that you read and you understand everything. One important thing is that if your camper is under the age of 14, you will be confirming, consenting that you will have an adult aged 18 or older with the camper during the full extent of the camp, so 11 to 2 each day. So this is right here in the supervision part. So you want to make sure that you understand that. And at the very bottom here, again, you'll find my email. So as part of registration, you will need to sign this and email it to me. Without having this on file, we cannot move forward with the registration. So this is very important. And if you have any other questions about this, please, that is something that I'd be happy to speak with you about. So moving along, we are going to be sending you some materials for this camp, and other materials you will need to make sure you procure. But we have a nice table breakdown here on the UDC Causes Culinary Camp Materials Breakdown, and you can click that, download it to your computer to see it. And I'm going to go ahead and switch over to that. So now we are on the materials breakdown for the camp, and I want to run through this with everybody. So on the left-hand column here, these are all materials that are going to be provided by us and shipped directly to your doorstep. So we are going to use the address that you provide during registration to order and and ship these items directly to you. So it's very important that the mailing address that you provide during registration is where you would expect these items to be shipped for your camper to participate. So the first on the list is a culinary herb garden starter pack, and you can link and check out this product. It's linked right here, so just open the link and you can see what that entails. Chef Herb's going to be teaching campers how to use fresh herbs in their gardens, and then also how to take care for the herb gardens and cultivate them so that they can use them far beyond the dates of the camp. Secondly, we'll be providing you with a grocery list. So we'll make sure that all of the ingredients your camper would need to have on hand to participate and make the dishes included in the camp are on the list. So we will email this directly to you 2 weeks in advance. The equipment, chef equipment set, again, that is linked so that you can go check that out at the link. We've also have all of the components of that set listed here, so you'll know what all that includes. If you do not want to receive this chef equipment set, you will need to let me know by June 28th when you register that you wish to opt out of receiving that. If we don't hear from you, you will receive it. So make sure you just give me an email, let me know that you already have all these things, you don't want to receive this. Okay, on the right side of the table are all of the items that you would need to have that we will not be providing, that you will need to make sure you independently procure for yourself or your camper before the first day of camp. So for one, kitchen space and appliances. The camp's virtual, so your camper will be in your own kitchen. Participants will need to obtain the items on the grocery list ahead of the first day of camp. So again, we'll give you the list. You have to make sure you go out and get the items ahead of the first day of camp. You'll also want to make sure you don't get them too far in advance so that all of your fresh items are still fresh by the time that the camp comes around. You'll need a laptop or a device to view the instructor. We will not be providing laptops for anyone to join. You'll need to have that on your own. And this final section right here, these are items that they're common household items. We will not be providing them. And we highly recommend that all of our campers have these on hand, but they are not technically required. So you still could participate in the camp without having these, but we definitely want you to have them if you can. So again, common household items like scissors, dish towels, soap, first aid kit, extra various utensils that you might have in your kitchen, a fire extinguisher, and so on and so forth. So again, these are highly recommended. One moment. Okay, so I'm happy to go through. I wanted to just run through the materials, make sure that everything is clear. If you do have any questions, make sure that you reach out to me. Again, I'm really happy that you're interested, that you're checking out the camp, and I look forward to connecting, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.